Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called bulk SMS marketing. Now bulk SMS marketing means if you are sending multiple SMS at one shot to your potential customers, that is called bulk SMS marketing. Now it can be done by a web interface, and normal when we send SMS, it's a personal mobile number to another number. But here in this case, bulk SMS marketing, we use a web interface, and logging into the web interface, you can send bulk SMS to multiple mobile numbers. That is called the database, this SMS database. Now there are two type of SMS. One is called transactional SMS, another one is called promotional SMS. Now promotional SMS you can send from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and only to the non-DND numbers, that is not do not disturb numbers, is called DND numbers. So you can send promotional SMS only to non-DND numbers from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. It is the rule from TRI, and always whenever you are sending the SMS text should be approved by TRI. And for promotional SMS, you should always use the promotional words. You can use your links, you can use your offers, you use your phone number. But for transactional SMS, it should be purely transactional based, only for announcement, only for any kind of transactional things, and you can send it anytime to any numbers. And but you should never use any kind of promotional words, promotional material in this SMS panel. Now for bulk SMS sending, there are two types of sender ID from where you'd send the bulk SMS, and your potential customers and the customers who are receiving the SMS, they can see there are two types of things. One is called the sender ID. The sender ID can be a 6 letter or it can be a numeric one. Now the premium sender ID with letters, containing the letters, you can put your brand name there, like we are using here, like 7B SEVEN, then capital B. This is a 6 digit 6 letter sender ID. Now let us take an example with the SMS panel. So you'd log into sms.7boats.com. So this is the SMS sending panel here. So we have directly logged in. So you can see the dashboard here, and you can see you can send the SMS here. So you can send SMS, click on send SMS and click on quick send SMS. Now you can import the database, the mobile numbers that you can generate from your own customers database, or you can purchase it from the market. There are various database companies and you can consult with them. You can Google it with mobile database companies in India, in Kolkata. You can get lots of names. So mobile database providers, so you can purchase database from them according to your target audience, target group, and then you can select numbers here one by one. So we write here also, you have to keep the format similar like this, or else you add +91. So you write it every line like this one. Now you see the sender ID. The sender ID you can create from manage items. Now this sender ID is a premium sender ID with all 6 letter, and another is the numeric ID. The random number would be generated. So campaign name, we put it, say, test campaign, and message we can say wish you a happy new year. Now let us send this SMS. Now whenever you send this SMS, you get this preview panel, and automatically your credit would be deducted. Now if this number is a DND number, this credit again would be reverted back to your account. So there is an automatic DND non-DND number checker inbuilt in this panel. So you click on send now and you see the SMS has been sent. Now you go to your sent items, you can see the report sent SMS. You click on that, you see this wish you a happy new year. You see the SMS, you see this is called delivered. So it has been delivered. Now how it looks like, we check here. So it looks like this, one new message from VK-7V. Now this VK or AM or VM, whatever, this is called the operator identity. So this is called Vodafone Kolkata and this is coming from 7B. It's like AM, say Airtel Mumbai, say TD is yeah, like DM Docomo Mumbai, like this sort of operator end code is there. And if you check here with manage items, you can select your, you can manage your sender ID, you can create your new sender ID and it would be again pending for approval, and normally it takes 15 minutes to 1 hour to take the approval. Similarly, whenever you send SMS, whenever whatever message you are putting up here, just before that you approve it, it will take around 10 to 15 minutes before approval. So then you can use it. And this is the panel. Even you can get the developer API key that you can integrate with your website. SMS integration, somebody is suppose filling up the contact form, automatically SMS acknowledgement would be delivered to their SMS to their mobile phone. So this kind of things you can get from the API. So you can see the API keys here. So you can edit it, you can use it with your developer for transactional SMS directly from the website. So the banks, they are also using this kind of API SMS integration. You can sometimes see the net banking. If you do net banking, you get SMS notification. You get one-time passwords with transactional SMS panel. So this kind of things you can get from this SMS panel. So this is called a bulk SMS. So remember, the bulk SMS, promotional SMS, you can only send from 9 to 9 p.m., 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and only to non-DND numbers. Transactional SMS you can send to anyone at any time. Transactional SMS must not contain any promotional things, and you can check your report from the sent items. You can also create your new sender IDs, different sender IDs from one account, and if you have exhausted your credit, then you can again purchase it from your vendor. And there are lots of vendors for mobile application, mobile bulk SMS marketing. You can search in Google with different sort of operators are there, and they normally charges depending on the volume of the SMS. So if you purchase 5,000 SMS, the cost would be a bit higher rather than if you purchase 2 lakh SMS credits. So it depends on operator to operator. So if you search in Google like bulk SMS marketing companies in Kolkata, so you search in that way, you get lots of sites name, like Seven Boats is here. Like you can see there are other vendors are also there, so you can decide on whom to choose, and you would get a more or less similar kind of SMS panel. Here we are using 7 Boats SMS panel. It's pretty advanced SMS panel, and the all the features in this panel is quite good rather than the other panels available in the market. So I hope you have understood about what is called SMS marketing. Thank you.